In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your current Facebook password without old one. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap Add that gear to move on to the settings and privacy, and then just tap right there to go to Meta Account Center. Once you are at Meta Account Center, you need to go to Password and Security, and that's where at the very top you can easily find Change Password. Then select your Facebook account, and on the next step, normally you need to enter your current password first at that first password field. However, if you don't remember your current password, you need to tap at Forgot your password, and then you will be taken to the page that looks like that, where you will be able to get a confirmation code by the ways you can easily find here. In my case, I can do that via WhatsApp, email, Facebook notification, or via SMS. I'm just gonna choose the first way, and then I'll tap at Continue. Now it says that we send code to WhatsApp to my phone number, so I can just go to WhatsApp. As you can see, here is my confirmation code. I can just tap at Copy Code, and then all I have to do is just paste that code here, and then tap at Continue to move on to the next step, where I'm currently able to create new Facebook password. Just enter your new password here, and keep in mind that your password must be at least 6 characters long. And once you've done that, just hit at Next to set your new password as your current password for your Facebook account. That's how you can easily change Facebook password without old password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.